Keep going. Momentum. I think we can do it.
We gotta run that way.
No, that's our building over there.
That's where we gotta go.
That's building 1.
That's building.
That's building 1. We were there last night.
Be advised, enemy is moving.
That's building 1, yeah.
We need 4 in front.
Right in front. Right in front. Hi. Right, go ahead. Go. Ready?
I'll get you some assets out there. Alright, booty crack is your challenge word.
Stack up. Do not breach yet.
Infidels, come in over.
Hey, we got friendlies inside. Yo, Reapers?
Yeah.
Hey, Reapers in the building. Somebody watch that corner of that building.
Copy.
Hey, Doc, support him. Reaper, you good? Hey, you stay there just in case if he dies. You revive him. We pull him back. Reaper, you good?
We gotta clear this out, then we can move. We got friendlies in here.
Friendlies in, Reapers in, Reapers
Booty.
in.
Booty.
Omega.
Alright, this is Commander. Send you 3 bodies inbound.
Everybody else is using booty trap.
I was saying, nobody gave me a challenge.
That was up there. You guys are gone.
Being clear, we're taking contact with this backside.
Copy.
They're about to cross, dude. Look.
Building
That's
4.
green.
Hold the door open. Hold the door open.
Hold the door. Congested, do not let them down. Keep them stuck up there. We have a squad in the center of Hartford. We're protected from both sides. We're in a window. We don't get out.
Not friendly across. Can you get in that window and shoot this way? There's 2 windows open. Yeah, can you shoot this way from one of those? Yeah, put up. Yep, there you go.
Oh, I see him by the truck.
Command, moving Echo 4 to your position.
Now, hi. Yeah. Hey, right here.
This tree right here is a guy that built that tree.
LMG behind the truck.
Bush to the right.
Yeah, get him.
No holding, no shot.
Straight past the nose of the freaking gator.
Hey. You guys want? I'll stay here, provide Overwatch, and we can see right there.
Y'all want to push out?
Hey, if a grenade comes in, you're all dead. Think of that.
They're not coming in. It's not coming in. Hey, keep an eye right here. Keep an eye on these guys right here so they won't breach me going out here.
So those are friendly.
Let's just storm them. Flank them.
That's Reapers right here on building 1. Sorry. That's all green.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, the door's open? Yeah, that door's open.
Breachers. Is he sitting right across there?
Where are they shooting you at from, Leo?
Straight across. Hold on.
Hold the fucking door.
On this corner, on us? Alright, hey, those guys right around this corner. Come on, let me get there with the LMG. Watch the nade. This guy's right on the corner.
Hey, cover me for the nade. Put up.
Suck on that, baby!
Cover.
Take it. Go. They're in the doors. Same building we were in. Hey, if he LMGs, can we... Dude, yeah, I don't know if it'll...
On the left side.
Woo!
Okay, guys, I got the guys on the side of the building.
Hey,
One of the building, the doors are peeking, and we're gonna push.
breachers, are you ready? Breachers, get ready.
Hey, they're stacked up on the corner of this building.
We're just gonna fucking run into him. We're gonna run into him. Let's go.
Which building? Go.
Let's fly. He's suppressing. Let's go.
You guys ready? Go.
Ah! Hold up here for the rest of the boys.
Eyes on O.
Tia, Tia.
Hopefully they don't find the
Somebody needs to reload. Damn, Tia. You gotta reload.
Let's try what we can do to get everybody out of that fucking basement, please. Somebody get close to drop a fucking frag in there. Do what you gotta do, please.
Hey, Logan. No. Look at the 4th floor. Wait. That might be tan.
Are those
Alright, go for command.
Yeah, it's tan. That's tan. Tan on 4th.
Do you have any troops on building 4 on the south side? They're on the complete opposite side, a mass of about 15.
Yeah, we have Okay. Yeah, last hole if it was contested.
Roger, good copy. Big mass of troops opposite side of building 4.
Okay.
Thought I saw a glimpse of Tori on that back side of 5.
Yeah.
This whole side we have.
Did the rest of the Reapers push through here?
Yeah, they went straight that way.
Copy.
Wait, did they open it? They opened up that door for them to use? The door was locked yesterday, bro.
They're funneling in that backside, but then just coming back out.
That was locked.
There's no a lock. They're all locked doors in there. The only entrance is
They
here.
got range on it, so we don't have enough guys to push up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we control the lobby?
Yeah, we own the hospital.
We own the hospital.
Yeah, and then the other group of Reapers are up
Over there.
the other side of
What do you want to do, boys?
They're pushing back. They're pushing back out the back door. If we can get to that second floor with those open windows right there. Back door. You see those windows up there?
No, they're going around the back trying to get our objective.
Hey, can you?
Hey, you want us to bound across? Support them? Cover our ass. Hey, guys, move it. Let's go. Move it.
Reaper actual, this is command. Come in.
Where you guys coming?
Go for Reaper actual.
Drop my radio. My radio, bro.
Go for Reaper actual.
You got it? Oh, fucking
Actual, this is command. On the opposite side of building 4, if you guys are holding the south side of building 4, you have a large force of green. Possibly their XO is out there as well, so just keep.
Fuck. Heard.
We cannot go into basement. Basement is locked. Sub-level, the garage doors, mechanical room.
Oh, they're down there. They're downstairs.
That's the only place we can go, and that is taken over.
He's in.
Throw a grenade, bro.
No, they're not gonna go. The only way in that is to go from around, from the outside.
Nade it.
They're not gonna call it. Trust me. I feel for that area.
At the front door of the hospital, return
Breachers, move up.
to talk to admins to find out. I was already there the other minute, I didn't see it.
Bridges in.
Where are we going?
Corner.
Eyes on sub-level, garage, heavy fighting.
Mira, Pedro no va a llamarlo. Tenés que ir para afuera. Mira, ya yo tenía 4 ahí mismo. Tú tenés que ir para allá afuera.
I'm having poor reception here. Communicate with me, I cannot hear you.
Suicide mission? Well, there's a little entranceway around.
Yeah, but you. Oh. No, mira. Hey.
Exactly. So if we can get 4 people firing that way, everybody runs around.
Listen, we could also cut straight through there and then cut around.
No, they're right there.
That's the basement.
I believe so. But
Yes, that is the basement.
Around there, but we got people shooting from that side.
We got inside people as well.
I think they said they locked
Inside the building.
Inside over here.
garage.
Right there.
Inside that little building.
Inside the window, you can see them.
I have an orange smoke if you like to.
Do we have any open windows on the second floor?
Yeah, be advised. We're coming out of spawn.
Hey, here's an open window over here, bro. There's an open window.
Hey, Bridger's moving. Hey, I'm gonna take you guys with me over the second floor.
Look first. See if there's an opening.
There is. It's right there. Overlooking where they're at.
Second floor. Hey. Hey.
Y'all two are
Breachers,
coming with me.
let's go. Second floor, there's windows. We'll get the drop on them and shoot them from behind. Breachers.
I can't tell you guys.
We need more grenades down there, guys.
Ryan, move on. Ryan.
Breachers.
Breachers.
Breachers. Where's Leon?
Admin comes, keep going.
Let's go. Breachers. Where's
Let's go.
Lazaro?
On you.
Lazaro, moving out.
You guys finding an objective?
It's down the stairs. Do we have everyone?
So, where's Walker?
Walker.
Walker!
Somebody get his ass on the radio.
Get in the lobby.
Walker.
Going on the second floor.
Look alive.
Come upstairs. Upstairs.
Copy that. I'm on the outside of the building right now.
Move in. Get out of there.
We gotta go between the hospital.
Fill in.
It would be that hallway, right?
Hey. Booty. Tan. Hey, Tan.
All right.
That's the way, right? That's the way.
Yeah, let's go. Breachers, let's move. Hey, who's that?
We gotta admin, watch it.
Booty.
Booty!
Friendly. Look for those windows.
Hey, we got somebody covering the stairwell.
Check that window.
We got friendlies on the first floor.
Ah, they're screened.
We hold the first floor.
They're screened.
That door down there did not open, and we just took a grenade up here. We just came up right now.
That door's
does
locked.
open.
It does?
I'm pretty sure it does.
So
No,
one
'cause
side
we've
is
been-
locked?
Yeah, it's been locked.
Yeah, they have one side. There's not on walkthrough. I don't know anymore.
Hey, those windows are screened. We can't do anything.
They're right there in that doorway.
Oh boy.
Let's go open the door.
I just covered my ears.
Did we get friendly fire? We had fun.
Oh, I heard it. I was like, no.
Yeah, they're loud.
Is there a window to that direction open or no?
Those don't even know where.
We can try.
Oh no, we are taking calls. Hey.
How are we getting shot from there?
Bro, there's logically no way.
Tan, everybody in here's Tan.
Booty!
I was like, who's shooting?
Everybody in here's Tan.
Let's try to find. Y'all ready? Any of these doors open? Let's try to find an open window.
That side's not facing.
We're gonna go up a floor. Breachers, up a floor.
We're good up there. Everybody's.
Is there windows?
We just secured that floor.
One window over there. There's no open windows. Hey. There's no open windows.
Fuck.
No pointing over those. That's all.
That's up to you to decide what we do, huh? Sick of people thinking they know better. I'll tell you that.
I almost hit it with this.
Yeah.
This is bone stop. Probably like
Wait. Here's open windows. This is the aftermath of yesterday. All these grenades. Anybody got range? Wait, that's us. All right, yeah, we need to link with everybody. Reaper Actuals Breachers. Meet on the first floor of the hospital.
Hey, I'm on. Hey, Breachers, can you hear me at all? Can you pick up my radio?
Copy.
On the left side of the hospital, we got a group out here trying to push them from the left side. Currently, we're kind of held up here.
All right, we'll make our way down to first floor.
Copy that.
I think this is stairs. Third floor, coming down to first. Booty. We're clear all the way. Third floor. Yeah, we're clear. We're good. Just watch the entrances. We got a crew trying to push out and around to the left, taking heavy contact.
Okay. Okay, vámonos para atrás como que listo.
Reaper actual, what's your 20?
Reaper actual, first floor hospital. Reaper actual, first floor hospital.
Gotcha.
Copy.
The hospital.
We're here.
Pushing up
Okay,
close to the
we got it. Logan said he was over there pushing left or something. So do we want to push over there?
That's where that one.
Huh?
That's where they're all at.
Down there?
Booty! Booty!
Nomad to command.
That looks like 10, but we're not sure yet. Booty!
Booty!
For command.
10!
Booty!
Down the hallway at the lobby. For command.
There's a hat.
And has the left side of the hospital locked down. Move it up to the
Hey, what we got over here coming out the door? Is that green?
That's us.
Okay. Man, that looks green.
Roger, good copy, Nomad.
Dead drag on the floor. Hey, so dead drag. Dead drag on the floor.
Watch this corner. Watch the corner.
Come right through that bush there.
This is probably your best bet at being cheeky.
Yeah.
Command, we found the sub-level. We're trying to hatch.
And anything that crosses? This is not the spot you want to be running down.
Where's Walker? Walker's still outside.
Walker's outside over there.
They can hit you from somewhere. They can hit you from somewhere. They'll pop out and get you. So just
We've located the boiler room, but we're going to need a little reinforcements to breach in.
Hey! 10! You just, no PID?
Yes, there is green inside of it.
Fucking rookie cocksuckers, bro.
Iron.
Green.
Wait. Stairwell. You know the back one, they all go to the second floor? We're inside the hospital, close to that.
They found a little hole in there. They're working it.
Hey.
Oh, they got another hole here.
Command, this is Iron.
Outside.
Over here?
Yeah, let's just go there.
Yeah.
Let's
get some action.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys want to get some action? Roll around and push?
Troops behind building 4. Behind building 4, large number of enemy team. Smoke, come in over.
Walker's down and out.
Go back.
Bro, what?
Huh.
So there wasn't.
Hey, Tia's up here too.
What is?
Hey, over here. Where's Leon?
Leon, he picked his spots. Got him.
When Leon's good, we're gonna roll.
He's coming.
Okay. Tia's up here too. She's gonna need help soon. You good? Yeah. All right, Tia's up here. Let's support. Tia, you got 6 coming up to support. How do you get down here?
I don't know. Let's go.
No. Let's stay here.
All that's ours.
So, hey, Freddie, laying down. Who's that?
Oh, there we go.
Get to that Polaris, baby boy. Let's go.
I know for a fact it doesn't smell. I posted up there last night. How far camera do we have up there? Wait.
You see that? That man fell straight backwards.
Ready? I got Logan. Should we entrench?
There's water in that ditch.
Water? No? Okay.
Water? Is there water in there? Yes, it's a little wet. Yeah, I'm good on that crawling through that.
Oh, come on, man. You're already wet, dude.
Yeah, but it's a good kind of like musty, sexy smell.
Sexy Chuck Norris sweat. Breachers, move up. Stack up.
Hey, we got a Porter John right there.
Copy. Look for cover. Where can we go?
We got the Porter John, the ditch. It's about it inside this no man's land.
I'm a suppress. Go that way. It doesn't matter if I die. You guys push in.
You're gonna go as bait?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, Breachers, when he goes as bait, we're booking it. You hear that?
You guys push in. I'm a fucking suppress as much as I can. What's that door? He's shooting from the crack in the doorway. Watch out.
They're shooting from cracking the doorway.
Yeah, the door and the other.
Hey, guy behind the Porter John. We can get down behind that grass. That grass is coming.
Hey! Are they inside here?
No, this is our guys right here.
I mean, hold that squad here. I need you to throw this around. Hold on, wait till they throw it. Here.
Dude, come
You
with.
throw this and push. Once
Come
he
with
throws
you.
it, everybody
Are we
fucking
wrapping? Are we wrapping this corner?
Wrap. Chase that fucking grenade the minute he does.
Hey, you ready?
Grenade guy, grenade guy. Get up here.
Run and scream!
I'm throwing the nade on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go, go, go. Fuck.
Ready, Reaper? Ready? 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Moving. Good job, guys. Hey, Chad, you got this.
Good work. Let them know. Tell them we got it.
Yeah!
The first time getting out
Tia, we are in the garage. We are in the garage. Tan Hands garage.
Hey!
Woo!
Hey!
He's dead, he's dead.
Come out! We got an LMG. We got an LMG in this squad. So.
Hey, we want to keep pushing. Where's Leon?
Leon! Reach out!
Oh, you push it back?
Yeah.
Leon!
If we can get an LMG on this doorway, that'd be great. Because they have to wrap around it. All right, Leon's ready.
Leon. Flannel. Flannel, Doc.
We got this building, bro.
You good? Doc.
You okay?
You good, bro?
Next, right there.
Damn, yeah, it's fucking already well done.
It's CIA.
You'll get over that. I was worried about something else.
Here.
What?
Just, I got hit, bro. This is my second life.
Yeah, hey, you broke skin, you're gonna need a fucking Band-Aid or something. You got one?
I got a boo-boo pouch right here.
Hey,
That's all good.
sure? You're bleeding?
Good.
Alright.
You need to spit in it?
Who has long range? Who's got long range? Someone needs longer than me. How far? About 100 yards. Hey, you don't have to be far side.
Tan.
Third court this way.
Hey, don't worry about it. Let me show you guys. We're all friendly down this way.
Let's just push out main.
We have this entire building secure.
Yeah. Let's push out and around. He said they almost have him spawn trapped. From those buildings we were at, 4 and whatever.
At this point. Where they at, Reapers? How's the fighting over here? Front corner right here next to the railing. You got at least 2.
Is that our guys in there?
We got gas there, they should be dead.
They're gonna be dead.
Yeah, those are our guys, right? Tan. Those are the Reapers.
Admin!
Are they leaving? Are they leaving?
In your house here. You have a question?
Alright, no, we got admin over there.
They smoked the whole fucking
Yeah, let hey, those guys need to move up.
Is there admin?
You need to get
Huh?
them down.
I don't know.
What?
For an admin.
Hey, who wanted admin? You wanted admin?
No, who was in the room that threw the grenade?
What do you mean?
where you at?
No, I just thought
Tragedy in the hospital is out of commission.
No, we're good. We had gas and guys were coming out, but another one of your guys took care of it.
we still got these guys over here.
Hey, you got Reapers moving up.
Bring a fan.
You got Reapers moving up. Breachers. Leon.
Throw these back in my bag, throw these back in my bag.
The fuck is Leon? Okay.
Go, Ted, go.
Oh shit. High knees. It's a good spot. Wait. Left side, gray truck. Those are our guys in there.
Omega, listen up. Stop closing the fucking doors. We keep catching deductions for closing and slamming fucking doors. Especially exterior doors. Stop closing the fucking doors.
I'm gonna move up to the edge of the building, see if I can get a nade in that courtyard.
All right.
Copy. Leon's dead.
Where's he dead at?
Hey, somebody get over there.
Can you grab a mag out my back? My back?
Somebody get to Leo. Hey, cover each.
Hold on.
I'll put this one back there.
Gun hit. Hey, keep it tight. They just hit my gun.
Hit! I'm dead. Oh, you're dead. I'm dead.
If you're in number 4, throw a grenade in the courtyard.
It's hot over here. It's hot.
Stay tight.
Do I go to CT?
Got one. I lost 3.
Yeah, I see him.
I think I got him.
I'm trying to give you an angle. Low.
Command, this is Iron.
Guys, in that building. Go. I'm trying to run down. Fuck you. You think I can make it?
Fuck, man.
Are you good? Where's trying to go? Make it, bro. Come on.
Can you run a message on admin, preferably Matt Boyle, to come to the first floor of the hospital, far side?
Alright, I'm set. Go now. Go. I'm gonna try to cover fire. I'm gonna move over here.
We have a rep.
That's a worse angle. Everybody in that building has an angle on that already. I'm trying to keep them off that corner.
Basically in the corridor, in the bushes down.
Hey, lads, can you get hold of one of the admins?
This is tight. I can't get too far from this.
Some kind of dispute between the guys on the first floor and the admin.
Hey, that's crazy.
Hey, if you're
Hey, dead rag. Leon's dead.
With the admin and the guys at the first floor.
Bro, that's us.
Iron Company.
Bro.
I'm fucking Iron Company. Shut the fuck up and relax. Please. Have them call me right now. Please hit me up. Turning that. No. I'm over here spawning right now. I'm at spawn. I don't know what's going on up there on the second. You can reach out to him last on the command channel that's on that other radio.
Man, if I had my fucking tip, man.
In about 5 minutes. I just walked over here to spawn.
Friendly's coming in. Friendly coming in. Friendly coming in. Come in.
Radio my guys now.
Hey guys, if you want in, come in.
I don't think right now is the right time. If we push right, everybody and their mom's over there. That's already good.
I'm gonna go that way.
Copy. You ready?
Just be careful, there's a ditch right here, dude.
Yeah, be super careful. You ready? Hold tight, hold tight.
Reaper, if you can get in here, we can go up the back side and try to flank them.
Just FYI, it's kind of another stalemate that way too, but.
Well, that's supposed to be that way. There's CPs right on the other side of 3, and that's 4. So, that's always gonna be a stalemate.
I'm gonna try to see if there might be a window in one of these doorways.
Copy.
Kyle, ready up, you need me.
I think I see somebody on that fucking corner.
Oh, for sure. Come on, Kyle. Bro, I got hit.
Hey, war cries, let's go, let's move.
War cry.
You go.
Ready?
Go, 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 go.
Hey, bro.
Smoke.
I don't have any.
I don't got my tourniquet. Just count or something. I just lost it.
Okay.
I give it
1,
to somebody.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Stay right
10.
there. Stay right there.
You
I'm not
revive.
even gonna move.
Don't move.
No,
Don't
I'm not
act
even
like
gonna
you're up or anything.
Stay right there.
Let me get away from you.
Cover. No, just get cover with me. Stay with me. Get you cover with me.
What do you see? What do you see? Get low, get low, get low. Watch the back corner, watch the back corner of the hospital. Back corner of the hospital. Behind you, behind you.
Move back, Reaper, move back. Move back. You out?
Oh.
building 5. We're at building 5. Let's raid it.
Logan, is that you?
Who's on the backside?
Hold tight. Find an angle. Yeah. Move your ass. Up under the arm. Sorry for the yank.
Yeah, I got just downed one more. Huh? Yeah. I got like 5 of them.
You got a better tourney than a real one? Or is that your only one?
That's my only one.
No big deal. Just make it work. Let's just move. Your bleed out's done. Your bleed out's done. Yeah.
Right here.
Hey.
You got no more mags? Stay low, stay low, stay low. No more frags? Stay low.
Want to creep?
Get up here.
Hey, Leon, before you get too far up. That's a good idea. Your right hand's a good idea.
Just keep low and get up.
Yeah, stay low. You gotta crawl. That's a great idea.
Is this like a regular?
Is it what color?
I don't know.
Stay low, stay low.
Check.
We're held down in the grass outside building 5.
Looks yellow.
Yellow?
Looks yellow to me.
That's a gas?
Yeah, that's gas.
Yeah, it's gas. Throw it far away from us or we're all dead, but that's a good idea.
I don't have an arm.
Huh? You don't have an arm?
No, like I can't throw far.
Oh, bro.
Building 5 is clear.
Hey, Leon, where you want smoke?
Huh?
Where you want smoke? Point your arm.
Chem smoke, chem smoke.
How far?
Book it.
God damn it.
As far as you can.
All right, pop up a little bit and give some cover fire or something. Ready?
Cover fire, cover fire. I got one.
Dude, I can see them flying over your head.
Blind man!
Blind man! Blind man!
Blind man!
Blind man!
I'm gonna move up to you.
Got it!
I think that they're on the way. Because that's where our other guy died. I don't know if they're on our right or not. I don't have eyes.
Reaper actual, I'm inside the garage. If there's a door on the side if you want to try to get some cover.
We are pushed up past building 5, moving towards their spawn.
Did it say game?
Pose. Right there.
So these guys on this silver truck, are they our team or not?
No visual. I'm sitting in a trench, buddy.
Yeah.
You good?
Different positioning.
That's tan over there.
What's up on my foot?
Oh, sorry, bro.
Last dead.
Huh?
He's dead. There was somebody walking this way.
3 minutes. Let's do something dumb. You want to? Lazaro. Lazaro. All right, you ready to do something dumb? 3 minutes left.
3 minutes left.
You ready? Let's just do it all as a group.
Get up.
Get up and run straight forward.
Light it up and down. Get up, light it up and down.
Wait, let him get out of the trench. Get out of the trench.
You might want to drop that here.
Hey, we're gonna charge. We got 3 minutes left in the game.
All right, I'm with you.
Let's do it. Guys, we only got a couple minutes left. Let's stand up and fucking charge. You ready? My squad, you ready? Hey, you guys ready?
Ready when you are.
Lazaro.
Oh, I just got fucking hit. Shit.
Hey! Just count to 10. Here, never mind.
Oh, fuck.
He's sitting on that fucking grenade.
You're both dead, Chris. You're dead too?
I called it.
Sorry, there's 2 minutes left, dude.
I feel like the friendly sat on the grenade.
My booty hole just had a nade in it.
No, he did. He goes, ow. And then he looks and goes, oh shit. Boom. That's the last way we go out.
That's why I just collapsed, dude. I was like,
All I know is I'm done sitting.